Hey friends, we are so glad you're with us again today. I hope you can see me through these flames and through this heat, but we thought we'd come out and roast a hot dog for lunch and tell you about something that we did the other day.
Yeah, we had so much fun. Being from the Midwest, we don't get to see these boat shows. I know in Florida they probably have hundreds of them, but we don't get to see these Christmas boat parades.
Yeah, they have these boats that just put Christmas lights all over their boat and had Christmas music, and there was a little parade. We'd never even heard of this before.
Yeah, so we wanted to share, I mean, it's Christmas time, and we wanted to share a little Christmas joy with everybody, so we thought we'd take you along and let you see. Now, one of the things we'd love for you to do is we kind of put our favorites at the end of the video, and we'd love for you to just kind of let us know which one was your favorite.
Yeah, check out your favorite. Also, we took some hot cocoa with us and just had a really fabulous night. Wanted to share that with you. So wait all the way till the end. Go ahead and enjoy this little boat parade with us, and we will see you in a couple minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed that little Christmas parade. That was so fun for us because, like we said, we've never done that before. If you guys have something that you do that's kind of a regional thing for Christmas, will you let us know in the comments below? Because unless you live somewhere super cold that we just cannot go in the winter, we'd like to travel around and check out these different super fun events. We had our hot cocoa with us, and it stayed hot the whole time. We wanted to tell you really quick about these Super Sparrow thermoses and this little water container. We have a lot of people that send us emails all the time wanting us to do reviews of stuff, and we kind of turn most of them down, but this one has been such a really quality product that we wanted to share it with you guys. There is a discount code below for 10% off if you want to go to their website and pick one up. But I've got this one, and I love this one because I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I'll get a better shot for you, but it is so super cute and pretty. And we've got this one. These are both stainless steel, BPA free, insulated. This one has the little extra sling that goes with it. You can carry it around, and it adds a little extra insulation. Dean's is a water bottle, does not taste like plastic.
Yeah, I love that. It really, one of the best water bottles I've ever owned.
It is. And you know, with a little flip top, and it's even got a lock so that your little kid can't accidentally open it and spill water all over the place. So wanted to share that with you. Check out that link below. Check out all their pretty designs and gorgeous colors. But let's talk about this parade. What was your favorite float? I want to call them floats, but they're not, right? Yeah. It's a parade, so I want to call them floats.
I guess you could say decorative boat.
Yeah, the boat. I like the one with the little kid singing, but he had a different favorite than me. I don't know. There were a lot of really good ones. It was so much fun. Let us know what you guys do in your area. We hope that you are having such a happy holiday.
Yeah, and we really would like to know. Please drop a comment below which one was your favorite.
Yeah, your favorite, stuff you do, what you're going to do for Christmas. Talk to us. We love hearing from you guys.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. It's free. Just click on the little button down below. You'll see it.
Yeah, and click on the little thumbs up, and we will see you guys on the next one.